For number 29, we have a function that's 1 to 1, so it has an inverse, and our goal is to find the inverse and then graph both the function and the inverse on the same coordinate plane here. And we can just start by graphing the function. Its y-intercept is 5, so go up to y equals 5, you draw your first point there, and then its slope is up 5, right 2. So from that y-intercept, if we went up 5 and right 2, we'd have a second point on the line. Connect those 2 points and you have the graph of this function here, which is a line. Now to find the inverse, you basically start off by swapping the x and the y. So where we had an x here, I'm going to put y, and then I'm going to put the x out here where before we had f of x, which is our y outputs. So swap those two, and now try to solve for y. So we're going to try to get y by itself. Subtract 5 from both sides, and now multiply both sides by 2/5. So I wrote that here. You have to multiply the entire side by 2/5. That's why I put this in parentheses. So now distribute that through. Both terms are multiplied by 2/5. Over here, this would reduce to 1, so it just cancels out to just a y. And here, 2/5 times 5 would reduce to just 2. So now we have this equation here for our inverse function. So our y-intercept is -2, and our slope is up 2, right 5. So from our y-intercept, go up 2, right 5, and you get the second point on that graph of the function, and connect them with a straight line here. We do the dashed line to indicate that it's the inverse, and you have the graph of the inverse.